Hello guys, I'm Hang and today I would like to show you PlutoPay, an online payment app. PlutoPay is not just another online payment app. This is the combination of helping user to send or request money in the easiest way and manage their money with budget setting. So first thing first, user can easily log in the app by providing their username, mobile phone, and their password. So when the user lands to their home screen, they can easily see all the activities that they can do here. For example, if they want to quickly transfer their money to their friends, here's the send and request button from the bottom of the screen. Just hit click, type in the recipient name, hit done, and then just click on the amount of the money that user would like to send to their recipient. They need to add the messages and they can review the transfer. Here's all the information that they can review, that where's their money source from which card, and they can even edit it, and they can edit the information of the recipient and even the messages, and just hit submit transfer if it's all correct. When they hit done, they can go back to the home screen and do another transaction or activities. After all, user needs to track and manage their spending. So in that case, they can hit create budget, go here, and get started to set up their budget step by step. So first, they can set up the budget setting for any month in the year. So, and then they can add their average monthly income. So they can know and calculate how much should they spend and where's the income. They can add expenses, for example, utilities. And here's all the transactions that related to these categories. And this is the average spend amount that the app suggests for user. And user can easily edit it by hitting that box and edit the amount, hit done, and they can add this to the budget list. They can easily add another expenses here, such as, for example, grocery. They can also see all the previous transactions of this category and also the suggested amount of these categories. And they can, again, edit that, add that to budgets. They can add as much as new categories that they want to categorize every month. And they can hit continue to check their overall budget setting, and they can easily track where they add in that specific budget list. For example, in the utilities, how much they spent and how much they still have left. And they can also see the overview panel here, which is provide the information of how much they have budgeted and how much left and still remaining, and also the amount that they have spent. So that's it about the PlutoPay online payment app. Thank you for watching.